Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be kicking off Valentine's Day and making a simply self-love cake. It's going to be a simple white cake that's dyed a nice vibrant pink color. It's going to be moist, tender, and a cake everyone loves. I'll be sure to go ahead and throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees and get started on some self-love, delicious, yummy cake. So our first step is to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl, and to that you want to start adding in your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. And then just give that a quick little whisk. Then we're going to go ahead, scoot that to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and we're going to start adding in our butter and our white sugar. And with our hand mixer, we're going to go ahead and beat these both together on a nice medium-high speed until they're both incorporated and they're light and fluffy. Usually for about a good 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to switch to a nice medium-low speed, and we're going to add in our oil. And then blend that oil into our butter and sugar mixture. Now we're going to add in our egg whites. And mix those in on that same medium-low speed. And lastly, our vanilla. Usually I like to use clear vanilla because it's a white cake and I like to have that nice bright white cake, delicious fluffy layers. But because we are going to be dyeing this cake pink, if you just have regular vanilla, go ahead and use that too. It's going to taste all just the same and oh so good. But after you add your vanilla, we're going to go ahead and work that in on a nice medium-low speed for a good couple of seconds. Now that we have our butter and sugar mixture all fully worked together, we're going to go ahead and start incorporating our flour mixture with our milk into the butter and sugar. We're going to start and end with the flour mixture. So let's add a little bit of our flour, a little bit of our milk, and mix those in. And then a little more flour, a little more milk, a little more mixing, and the last of our flour, and the last of our mixing. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have our delicious, moist, tender, fluffy cake batter that's gonna be, it's gonna be so perfect for a self-love cake. Now for our last step, we want to add in a few drops of pink food gel color. And then mix on a low speed until that color is fully incorporated. And there is our pink cake batter. Then you want to go ahead, pour that into your prepared springform pan and pop in the oven and let bake for a quick 30 to 35 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cakes have baked, they've cooled. I went ahead and leveled them already. So now we can go ahead and start filling with some delicious vanilla buttercream and decorating with some simple Valentine's decorations. So we're going to take our first cake layer onto our cake turntable and we're going to pipe on a generous amount of vanilla buttercream and smooth over with our spatula. Now let's top that with our second layer of cake. And I'll be sure that the recipe down below in that description has all the steps, tips, and tricks for this so good, not so sweet, but oh so delicious vanilla buttercream. But now that we have both of our layers on our cake turntable, let's go ahead and start piping on and covering this with even more vanilla buttercream. So starting from the bottom and while rotating your cake turntable, you want to pipe on your vanilla buttercream in an upward motion. Then, using a cake frosting scraper, or a straight spatula, or an offset spatula, you want to smooth your vanilla buttercream. And the best way is to hold your smoothing tool upright and gently press against your cake while rotating your cake turntable, letting the turntable do all the work. And then we're going to smooth out the top of our cake with our offset spatula. And lastly, to top it off and pull it all together, we're gonna go ahead and top with one PEEPS marshmallow heart. And we're gonna press that right on top of the cake. And just like that, in a couple of easy decorating steps with some delicious, simple, oh so light and fluffy vanilla buttercream, we have our perfect self-love cake, perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you wanna serve and enjoy with that special someone, or even yourself if that special someone is you, because self-love is oh so important and it feels good. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this simply self-love cake to kick off Valentine's Day. If you like Valentine's Day, if you're a Valentine's Day supporter, or if you're an anti-Valentine's Day, or if you're a gal pal or a V boy, I don't know. But if you want more delicious Valentine's Day recipes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up treats you'll like, you want to see, and you're going to be trying yourselves. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy bakes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter that giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. And I think we're getting close to announcing that first of the 20 winners once we hit that 5K mark, so definitely be sure to ring that bell after you click the subscribe button. And lastly, if you make your own simply self-love cake or your own Valentine's Day desserts, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab some coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy some simply self-love cake. I hope you all get to do the same, and as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye!